Hello student, here we discuss about coordination isomerism. Here go to grandpa, grandma, have fun and then study more. Coordination isomers, they are the isomers in which cation and anion both are complex and they can replace each other. Okay, again I will say the isomerism is shown by the compounds in which both the cation as well as anions are complex. Ligands may interchange their position between the two complex ions. Clear? So this is cation and this is anion. So cation as well as anion both are complex. Here see ligand, I have taken L1. Here I took L2 and I said that L2 is bidentate ligand. What does it mean? That this metal is having 6 coordination number and this metal 2 is having also 6 coordination number because bidentate ligand is there. So we can write on this coordination number of both of them are 6. Oxidation number, if it is +3 over here, so it will be -3 over here. Now see, example, CONH36 as a cation, complex cation, CrC2O4 whole thrice complex anion. We know that C2O4 2 negative, it carry 2 negative charge, 3 auxiliary ions are there, so total 6 negative charge. And since this is having -6, so it will must having +3, then only there will be -3 charge. And it means cobalt is +3. Okay, so we will see, I told you X plus X minus X will be there. So NH3 monodentate ligand, here I took bidentate ligand. Now if we have to make coordination isomer of it, at that time what we have to do, very simple trick I am saying, only chromium and cobalt select and change the position of chromium and cobalt. See here, now I put chromium here and cobalt here. Clear? Now it is coordination isomer. So easy it is. Now what will be the effect on IPAC naming? In this it is positive ion, so we write down hexamine cobalt 3 trioxylato. Now we'll IPAC name for anion, trioxylato chromate 3 because it is anion. Anion is written always at last and metal atom ended with 8. So this is one molecule and its isomer is this. Okay, now here it will be hexamine chromium. Now it is positive, so chromium 3 and trioxylated cobaltate. Now it is turned to cobaltate. Anion is here, so it is cobaltate 3. Now CuNH3 whole 4 PtCl4. Simple, change the position Pt and Cu, and then you will say tetraamine copper 2 tetrachloride platinate 2. Here tetraamine platinum 2 tetrachloride chloride cuprate 2. Now I say